Want to update your Rogers wireless voicemail password for better security? The MyRogers app makes it easy. First, ensure you have the latest version, 10.5.0 or later, downloaded from the iOS App Store or Google Play Store. Log in using your Rogers account credentials, completing two-factor authentication if enabled, which is now standard for enhanced security. Inside the app, navigate to your voicemail settings. The path might vary slightly depending on the app version, but typically you'll find it under Account or Manage Services, then Voicemail or Voice Features. If needed, use the search function and type voicemail. Changing your password this way ensures it's synced across all your devices and provides a secure audit log, a significant improvement over older methods like calling 99hack. In the voicemail section, select Change Password, Security Settings, or Voicemail PIN. If you've forgotten your current password, use the Forgot Password link to reset it. Enter your new password, ensuring it meets Rogers guidelines, typically 4 to 10 digits, and avoiding simple sequences like 1, 2, 3, 4. Confirm the new password by re-entering it. The app may require additional verification via email or SMS. Save the changes, and you should receive a confirmation notification. Your new password takes effect immediately. If you encounter any issues, make sure your account is in good standing and try restarting the app or your device. For persistent problems, use the app's chat feature to contact Rogers support. Remember to regularly update your voicemail password to protect against unauthorized access, and never reuse old passwords within 30 days, as per Rogers policy.